Right, so we're going to go into our media pool and drag in just a black image, and we're going to drag this down into our timeline, and we're going to make this nice and long. Now we're going to go up to titles, and we're going to add a text. Drag this into just the beginning, and we're going to go to title here and change this. Now we're going to change the font to Soloist 3D, and we're going to change the colour to that nice yellowy orange. There we go. Now we're going to go into our settings, and we're going to find zoom, and we're going to drag this out so that it is nice and big, and we're going to make sure that we are at the beginning of our timeline, and here at zoom we're going to add a keyframe. Now we're going to go to the end of the text, and we're going to zoom out so that we can barely see it. That's how to make the Star Wars logo move away from the screen. Now what we're going to do is add a scroll, and we're going to make this start as the other bit ends. Going to add some text. Now what we're going to do is change the colour, go into that nice yellowy orange, and we can change the font if we want to. And what we're going to do now is centre this. We're going to now go into our settings and change the pitch. And that is how to make a Star Wars title crawl in Davinci Resolve. Now if you want to learn how to do this same effect in other free apps, such as iMovie and CapCut, then click on one of these videos here.